Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a simple design using only the running stitch. First explain about the use of water-soluble pen. These pens are used to draw directly onto the fabric. And by washing the fabric with water, these marks can be easily removed. I'll show you the effect in this video. This is not the must-buy thing, but it's very helpful to use in embroidery. Previously, I have done a short video on running stitch tutorial. I'll provide the link in description. Wash the fabric with water to remove the blue color in between the stitches, and here is the result. And thank you for watching.